Prince Charming na to? Umaasa ka pa ba? Eh, tipong forever and a day ka na yatang naghihintay. Alam ko gusto mo magkaroon ng sariling pamilya. At maging tanging ina. Last na to. At gagawin mo ang lahat in the name of love. Para lang matupad to. Pero mukhang kakailanganin mo yata ang agimat ni Enteng Kabisote para lang matupad yan. Hanggang kailan ka magdadasal ng, Lord, I want a very special love. Till my heart takes in. Don't worry, Ides. Dadating na lang yan one day. May magsasabing, who's that girl? At sasabihin niya sa'yo, babe, I love you. You to me are everything. Miss you like crazy. Etc. etc. At dadating na lang ang panahon maririnig mong kantang, Here comes the bride. Pero Ides, please lang. Make sure hindi niya kamukha si Petrang Kabayo. Okay? Happy birthday!